Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving into the world of AI content creation today with a tool that's really making some serious waves. It's Notebook LM, and it just got a huge update. So we're going to break down why you, especially as a learner, should be paying attention. This thing is going to rock your world.
It's true. This update is really pushing the boundaries of what we thought AI could do with content.
So first things first, what exactly is Notebook LM? And why is it different from all the other AI tools that are popping up everywhere these days?
So imagine this. You're trying to learn about a new topic,
Yeah.
but you are just drowning in articles and videos and research papers. And Notebook LM steps in and it becomes your super-powered research assistant. It takes all of those sources that you give it and creates what it calls a closed ecosystem of information. This means it only uses the information that you provide to generate all of its outputs. So it's incredibly focused.
So it's like having an AI that's been trained specifically on the information that I need, and not just on like the entire internet.
Precisely. That's what makes it so powerful for really focused learning. You can get a curated understanding of your chosen topic without all the noise and distractions of irrelevant data.
That makes a lot of sense. But what kind of outputs are we talking about?
Well, this is where it gets really interesting. Notebook LM can create notes and summaries, even FAQs based on all the information that you give it. But the game changer with this latest update is its ability to actually generate podcasts. And not just any podcasts. These sound like two people having a natural, organic conversation about the topic.
Hold on. AI can create podcasts. That sound like real people talking.
It's true.
That's wild.
Yeah, it's a huge leap forward in AI audio content creation. They've really analyzed all the nuances of human conversation, the back and forth, the varying tones, even the little pauses and ums that make a conversation sound authentic.
Okay, so how does that actually work? Does it just take snippets from the source material and kind of stitch them together?
Well, that's what I thought at first. But it's much more sophisticated than that. It actually synthesizes the information, and it creates new sentences and phrases, all while maintaining that natural conversational flow.
Wow.
It's pretty mind-blowing.
I bet. And for someone who's, trying to learn something new, that's a game changer, right? Instead of slogging through hours of videos or pages and pages of text, you can just listen to a podcast that distills all the key points.
Exactly. And it's not just passively listening either. Notebook LM has an interactive mode where you can actually interrupt the podcast and ask questions to the AI. It's like having a conversation with two experts in real time.
Oh, wait a minute. You're telling me I can ask questions to the AI during the podcast and it actually responds?
Yeah, it analyzes the context of the conversation and provides relevant answers based on all the information that you fed into the system.
So it's like having a personalized tutor guiding you through the material. That's incredible. I can see why our listeners would be all over this.
Absolutely. Yeah. This technology opens up so many doors for efficient and personalized learning. Let's say you're interested in a very specific niche topic.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, training a dog to do agility courses. You could feed Notebook LM a bunch of videos from expert trainers.
Yeah.
And it would create this podcast conversation, summarizing all the key techniques and training approaches. And then you could use that interactive mode to ask specific questions about, your own dog's breed or training challenges.
Okay, my mind is officially blown. But this, the deep dive. So let's dive even deeper. How does this AI actually manage to create such realistic sounding conversations?
That's a great question. And it really speaks to the power of the technology. The team behind Notebook LM has clearly made huge strides. In natural language processing and voice synthesis, they've managed to capture those nuances of human speech patterns and inflections, creating AI voices that are remarkably lifelike.
So it's not just about stringing words together, it's about creating this entire auditory experience that feels authentic and engaging. I have to admit, I'm impressed.
I know, right? It makes you wonder what other breakthroughs are just around the corner in the world of AI. But let's focus on the possibilities that we have right now.
Okay, so we've established that Notebook LM can help you learn more effectively and efficiently. But it sounds like it can also do a whole lot more than that, right?
You're catching on. This tool isn't just about passively absorbing information. It can actually help you create your own content, powered by the knowledge it synthesizes. Think blog posts, video scripts, even social media updates, all generated based on the insights it pulls from your source material.
Wait, so it's like having an AI ghostwriter at my fingertips?
Pretty much. It can take the information you give it and turn it into a variety of different formats. Because it's working within that closed ecosystem you mentioned earlier, the content it generates is very focused and consistent. with your chosen topic.
This is huge. Our learner listeners are always looking for ways to kind of take their knowledge to the next level. Being able to generate original content from all that learning, it's like leveling up in real life.
Exactly. And this is where the potential for monetization comes in, which I know is something that our listeners are always interested in.
Okay, now we're really talking. Let's break down how someone could actually use Notebook LM to not just learn and create, but also earn. All right, so let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How can our listeners actually turn this knowledge and content creation power into cold, hard cash?
One of the most straightforward ways is through good old-fashioned affiliate marketing. You choose a niche, something you're passionate about, like personal finance or health and wellness, or even something hyper-specific, like vintage video game collecting.
Okay, I'm following you so far. I pick my niche. Then what?
Then you use Notebook LM to basically devour all the best content in that niche. Articles, videos, forum discussions, you name it. The AI will synthesize all of that knowledge and then help you to create a mountain of high-quality content, blog posts, podcast episodes, even video scripts.
So basically, I become like this content creating machine, all thanks to the AI doing all the heavy lifting.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And within that content, you subtly weave in these affiliate links to products or services that you genuinely recommend. Someone clicks on your link, makes a purchase, boom, you earn a commission.
That makes sense. But isn't the internet already flooded with affiliate marketers? How do I stand out from the crowd?
That's where the power of Notebook LM's closed ecosystem comes in. Remember, it's generating content based on the specific sources that you feed it. So you can curate a unique perspective within your niche, focusing on a very specific audience or angle that hasn't been completely oversaturated yet.
So instead of just being another affiliate marketer hawking weight loss products, I could focus on, say, weight loss for women over 50 who love to hike.
Precisely. You're not just regurgitating generic advice, you're offering these really valuable insights that are tailored to a very specific audience,
Right.
which makes your content and your affiliate recommendations much more compelling.
Okay, I'm starting to see how powerful this could be. It's like having a secret weapon in the affiliate marketing game.
It really is. And affiliate marketing is just one avenue. You can also use Notebook LM to create and sell online courses or coaching programs. Imagine building an entire course based on the synthesized knowledge from dozens of experts in your field.
That's a great idea. People are so hungry for online learning these days, and Notebook LM could help someone create a truly unique and comprehensive course without actually having to be an expert themselves.
Exactly. You become the curator of knowledge. And the AI helps you to package it in an engaging and accessible way. You could even use Notebook LM to create supplemental materials, like quizzes or interactive exercises, to enhance that learning experience.
This is making my head spin with possibilities, but I do have one concern. What about the voice and personality in all this content? Isn't there a risk of it sounding, well, robotic and impersonal if it's all coming from AI?
That's a valid concern. But remember, Notebook LM's strength really lies in its ability to mimic human conversation and tone. So the generated content provides this fantastic foundation. But it's your job to then inject your own personality, your own experiences, and your own unique insights into the mix. Think of it as a collaboration between you and the AI.
So I'm not just hitting publish on whatever the AI spits out. I'm taking that raw material and shaping it into something that reflects my own unique voice and style.
Exactly. That's what will make your content truly stand out and resonate with your audience.
You know, listening to all of this, it almost feels like Notebook LM is democratizing this whole content creation process. You don't need a fancy studio or a team of writers or even years of experience to produce high-quality content.
I completely agree. It's really leveling the playing field. It's giving anyone with a passion for learning and sharing the tools to build an audience and potentially even a business around their knowledge.
This feels like a major shift in the content creation landscape. It's a bit daunting, to be honest, but also incredibly exciting.
It is exciting and a little scary, sure. But that's the nature of disruptive technology, isn't it? It challenges the status quo and it forces us to adapt and evolve.
Speaking of adapting, I'm curious, are there any downsides or potential pitfalls to using a tool like Notebook LM that our listeners should be aware of?
That's a really important question. While the potential benefits are huge, it's crucial to approach this technology with a balanced perspective. One thing to keep in mind is that even with all of its advanced capabilities, Notebook LM is still a tool. It can't replace that human element of creativity and critical thinking and genuine passion for your chosen niche.
So it's not about letting the AI do all the work, it's about using it to enhance and amplify my own abilities.
Precisely. Think of it as a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your own unique skills and insights.
That makes sense. Are there any other potential downsides we should consider?
Well, another aspect to consider is the potential for over-reliance on the AI-generated content. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of churning out content quickly and efficiently, but it's important to remember that quality should always trump quantity.
So it's tempting to just hit publish on everything Notebook LM generates, but I need to be discerning and make sure that content is truly valuable and accurate and engaging for my audience.
Exactly. Always remember that your reputation and credibility are on the line. Don't sacrifice quality for speed.
That's great advice. Are there any other potential pitfalls our listeners should be aware of?
One final point to consider is the importance of staying up to date. Technology like this evolves rapidly, and new features and capabilities are constantly being added. To truly leverage the power of Notebook LM, you'll need to commit to continuous learning and experimentation.
So it's not a set it and forget it kind of tool. I need to be actively engaged, keeping up with the latest updates.
And exploring new ways to use it.
Exactly. The learning curve might seem steep at first, but the rewards are well worth the effort.
All right, so we've covered a lot of ground here. We've talked about what Notebook LM is, how it works its magic, and the incredible potential it holds for learning and creating and earning.
It's been quite a deep dive, and we've only just scratched the surface of what this technology can do.
I feel like we've given our listeners a lot to process today. What final thoughts would you leave them with as they kind of wrap their heads around this revolutionary new tool?
I think the most important takeaway is this. Don't be intimidated by the technology. Approach Notebook LM with a sense of curiosity and a willingness to experiment. Think about those knowledge gaps you'd love to be able to fill quickly, or the content you've always wanted to create, but maybe felt held back by time or resources.
Yeah, it's like that saying, the best way to predict the future is to create it. And with a tool like this, it feels like we really have the power to shape our own learning and creative journeys in ways that we never thought possible before.
Absolutely. Notebook LM is more than just a content creation tool. It's a catalyst for growth. It empowers us to become more knowledgeable, more creative, and honestly, more impactful in whatever field we choose to pursue.
One thing that keeps coming back to me is that idea of the closed ecosystem. It's clearly a huge advantage for focused learning and content creation, but I'm wondering if there are any potential limitations to working within those boundaries.
That's a great point. While a closed ecosystem ensures that the AI is only drawing from the sources that you deem valuable, it's important to be mindful of potential biases in the information that you're feeding it. If you're only consuming content from one perspective, you might miss out on valuable insights or alternative viewpoints that could really enrich your understanding.
So it's important to curate a diverse range of sources, even within a specific niche, to make sure that I'm getting a well-rounded understanding of the topic.
Exactly. Don't fall into the trap of creating an echo chamber. Challenge your own assumptions and seek out perspectives that differ from your own.
It's like that classic deep dive principle. Always be open to new information and different ways of thinking.
Precisely. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to share a practical tip from one of the sources we've been exploring, a tech influencer who goes by the name Software King. He recommends recording yourself interacting with the AI-generated podcast.
Oh, that's interesting. Why does he suggest that?
Because it allows you to create even more engaging content. Imagine recording yourself asking questions to the AI during the podcast, and then editing that footage into a video, where it looks and sounds like you're having a real conversation with these AI-generated voices.
That's brilliant. It adds a human touch to the AI-generated content and makes it much more dynamic for viewers. I can see this being especially effective for educational videos or tutorials.
Exactly. And it's not that complicated to do. Software King recommends using a simple screen recorder like Camtasia to capture your screen, and a basic audio recorder to capture your voice. Then you can easily edit the footage together to create a seamless video.
That's a great tip. I'm definitely going to try that out.
Yeah.
As we're talking about all these practical applications, I keep thinking about how accessible this technology is. You don't need a fancy studio or a team of producers to create really incredible content. It's all right there at your fingertips.
That's the beauty of it. Notebook LM is empowering this new generation of content creators, democratizing knowledge sharing, and making it possible for anyone with a passion to build an audience and share their voice with the world.
It feels like we're on the cusp of a major shift in how we learn and create and connect with each other. It's both exhilarating and a little bit daunting, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely, but I think that's what makes this such an exciting time to be alive. We're witnessing the birth of a new era, and the possibilities are truly limitless.
Well said. I think we've given our listeners a lot to think about today. We've explored the ins and outs of Notebook LM, delved into its potential for learning, creation, and even earning, and touched on some of the broader implications of this really transformative technology.
We've only just scratched the surface, but I hope this deep dive has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore the possibilities of Notebook LM for yourself.
If you're ready to take the plunge, we'll be sure to include links to all the resources that we mentioned in the show notes. But before we sign off, I want to leave you with one final thought.
What knowledge gaps are you just burning to fill? What content are you yearning to create? The tools are out there, the opportunities are vast, and the only limit is your imagination. So go forth, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun.
Couldn't have said it better myself. That's all for this deep dive into Notebook LM. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.